An evening with friends is always a special time. We usually get together on weekends and have a great time. We start by having dinner at a restaurant. We explore different cuisines and enjoy trying new dishes. It's a delicious adventure. We chat and laugh while savoring our meals. After dinner, we might go for a walk in the park or along the river. It's a nice way to relax and burn off some calories. We talk about our week, share stories, and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes, we play board games or card games. It gets quite competitive, but it's all in good fun. We cheer and tease each other as we play. As the evening goes on, we may watch a movie or binge watch a TV series. We prepare popcorn and snacks for the movie night. It's a cozy way to end the evening. What I love most about these evenings is the camaraderie and laughter. It's a chance to unwind and make lasting memories with friends. An evening with friends is an evening well spent.